Hi, I'm Debbie Howard, Chairman of the Carter Group and co-founder of the Living Best Professional Community. Today, we'll be hearing from Dr. Yong Choi. Dr. Yong Choi of the University of Pittsburgh is a tenure-track assistant professor in health informatics. The University of Pittsburgh Healthy Home Lab is a community laboratory that brings the best science into home settings to maximize human health and safety. Core to its principles are its belief that with the appropriate combination of evidence-based support services, home modifications, and technology, individuals can age safely and independently in their own homes. Our thanks to Dr. Choi for being with us today.
Yes, in our ecosystem at University of Pittsburgh is characterized by interdisciplinary collaboration among different researchers, the cutting edge research, and also the partnerships with industry, academia, and the healthcare organizations. So at the heart of our ecosystem are obviously dedicated researchers and professionals who come from diverse backgrounds, who are coming from health informatics, engineering, and a team of clinicians and aging studies. And then we have strong support from external organizations and funding agencies, and also our partnering health system, University of Pittsburgh Medical Center, as a strong healthcare organization for us to partner with to develop age tech solutions together. Yeah, I will first talk about like a local perspective. So here in our local community, we're actively exploring how to retrofit existing housing stock because the housing stock at the Pittsburgh region is very old, usually very steep stairs, and the houses are usually not accommodating to the aging older adults to live independently. So we are really looking actively to retrofit existing home with capabilities such as smart home devices and integrating AI solutions so that these technologies can help older adults to stay safely, independently, and also belonging into their community as long as possible, enhancing the quality of life for older adults.
Great. Thank you so much. I can't wait to come visit you and see what you're doing. I looked at your website and it looked really interesting. Yeah.
Yes.
And if you want, you can, if you'd like to say something, you might want to say one sentence that says, we have our healthy home lab.
Mm-hmm. Yes, that's right. That's right.
Mm-hmm.
So our Healthy Home Lab is situated within, very close vicinity to the university, and it's actually a 105-year-old home in the community, acting as a living test bed simulation environment, but really just a regular Pittsburgh housing a unit that we can test our smart home solutions and different types of technology devices to support aging in place of older adults. So this health industry is, very conservative in nature. So what I envision is we really out to look for ways to encourage interdisciplinary collaboration that is between researchers at the university, engineers at the industry, and also active involvement from healthcare systems and healthcare providers themselves to ensure that age tech products are not only just something that is developed for the technical piece of it, technical expertise of it, but something that is very user-friendly and effective and that can make an actual impact that can be implemented in the community. Yes. So in in our University of Pittsburgh, we really foster this collaborative, test bed. That's why we are partnering with AARP and joining them, this ecosystem of innovators that they can have access to our university resources, especially healthy home laboratory as a living test environment. Usually the residents here in this region, they trust the name brand of the university. And that's why I believe this partnership with academia and industry is very important. Because it gives trust to the people who are just learning about this new technology. And rather than them hearing from the like the startup first, but if they hear these technology being introduced by university researchers and healthcare providers, they would be more willing to be coming into the test environment to test these devices and really provide their thoughtful feedback on how we can improve these products. So I believe that's why our Healthy Home Laboratory sits at a unique place to support this aging tech ecosystem.